Make soup.
Make soup. Go home, make soup.
Here you go, guys. Another freshwater drum.
Make soup.
This,
Make soup.
you let this guy about to make soup.
Go home, make soup.
Make soup?
Thank you. That's 3 times already, eh?
Yeah, man, I am the sheephead king today. I am the sheephead king today.
Oh my God.
I know how to catch this one, no problem.
Oh.
No problem. Look at these guys. Morning, everyone. Welcome back. Hope you're having an amazing day. We're just getting out here right now on the Detroit River. The water's actually crystal clear right now. There's like no wind at all. Amazing, amazing. These guys are just getting out here right now. I've seen a few fish get caught. Hopefully I land something also. I'm looking to jig for some nice smallmouth. I'm going to be using a tube, a 3/4 ounce tube, pumpkin seed color plastic tube. So hopefully I land into something. Just as you guys can see, what a beautiful view. Beautiful morning right now. The air is nice and thin. It's easy to breathe. It's not like the hot humid days. So I'm actually pretty lucky right now. You guys decided to get out here, give it a shot. Here we go. Perfect right now. Yep. It's only a couple minutes. I got one. Got one. Yep. First cast. I know. Come over here, come over here. Go ahead, get ahead of me. Get ahead of me.
3-pounder. Oh.
It's a sheep.
5-pounder sheep.
Boy, there's lots of fish, bro. Hold on. Yeah, thank you.
Sweet. Want me to flip it out?
Yeah, if you want, do whatever you want. There you go, bro. Alright, guys. There's my first fish of the day. Big freshwater drum. Here we go. It's still too fast. Nice catch today.
Sheephead.
Oh, is it?
Fucking sheephead.
Okay.
Sheephead.
Sheephead.
Oh man, it would have been nice.
There you go, bro. Nice catch.
At least we're killing it. At least we're catching something.
Yeah.
Whoa, he swallowed it.
Howard!
Oh, sheephead.
Howard!
That's white bass.
No, hey, look at your hair, man. You look like a sexy man.
Sexy man.
Yeah. Beautiful man here.
Long time no see.
Yeah, good morning.
How are you? Hey, you want
Good.
this white bass? No? No.
Lots of sheephead. Come on, sheephead king, show me. Sheephead king, show me. Yeah. Lucky guy. Yep. 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 It's already here, Tan. It's already here. Oh, it's a walleye! It's a walleye! Woo! Sweet! It's a walleye! Holy smokes!
Awesome, V. Good job.
It's a walleye!
You're a lucky guy today.
There you go, guys. Check that out. Nice, beautiful walleye on the tube here. Yeah. Jigging that tube there. You guys see that? Three-quarter ounce tube. Nice, good, like a 2.5, 3 pounder there. Yes. Woo! Well, guys, that's a beautiful fish right there. I was jigging a 3/4 ounce tube, pumpkin seed color, and I actually landed my first walleye ever on a tube. We're in the middle of summer right now, but man, crow!
Oh!
It slapped me. Did y'all see that?
Oh! Danger!
Yeah, definitely. Right there, that's gonna be a keeper. Got one. I got one. Walleye.
Oh my god! Oh, 5 pounds! Oh, picture!
What the
Oh
hell?
my god! Picture.
I caught a walleye. You want it? You want it? No? Thank you. Here you go, guys. It's a walleye.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Oh, careful.
Oh shit.
Here.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. There's a couple.
It's working really well.
There's some smallies getting caught though.
It's getting a lot of tails, that's it.
There it is. There it is.
Sweet, sweet.
Yeah,
There. That's a sheep.
right there. Right there. Right on the ground.
sheephead. Oh, Matkoi. Matkoi. I hope it's a sheephead. Y'all ain't be catching no sheepheads around here. Oh yeah, that's a sheep. It's a big sheep.
Oh, what's up, brother? Yeah.
I want to take
Oh.
a big shoot. I go. I take sheephead home and go make shoot. Holy shit, dude, that thing is huge. Oh, 10 pounds right there.
Holy cow. Bigger than 10.
Oh.
I seen Howard catch it.
Hey, Howdy, that's bigger than yours, I think.
Holy smokes, that's another one. You want it? Anybody want it? Oh shit.
Yeah, make good suit. That's sick, dude.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Hold on, dude. I gotta take a picture of this.
Yeah. Holy cow.
Please hold that one up. I gotta take a picture of this.
There we go, guys.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
The size of that one.
Let me take a picture of it.
take a picture too.
Hold on.
How's your arm feeling? Hold it where it covers your whole body.
You got a good arm.
1, 2. Oh, hold on. The sun. There you go. 1, 2. Cover your face. All right. 1, 2, 3. That's me.
There you go, guys.
Hang on. I gotta take a picture of this.
Like he.
Oh,
no, good.
Oh no, you're gonna break my camera. You ugly man. Okay? Okay.
There you go.
That's fucking huge.
Have a good day.
Uncle Cast. You see? You went 10. What was it? Yeah.
Fucking arms. Stays
Yeah.
like this. You don't even use his flick of his wrist, it's just all arms. He's doing his hardest, that fucker only goes like 10 meters out.
Yeah. Uncle Cast. 10's uncle.
That's it, I'm going to Brick Street.
Are you? There you go.
Oh, nice. There you go. Nice. This is a sheephead.
Actually, I don't know this time. It's a smallmouth. It's a smallmouth. It's coming up. It might be a sheep.
Whoa, look, he's minnow. Let's try to catch them.
That's a sheep.
Or a really big smallie.
That's a sheep. That's a sheep. Once they start getting closer. No. I know how to catch a sheephead, no problem. No problem. Yeah. What's up, buddy? Yeah, I'll give it to him.
Make soup. Go home, make soup.
Here you go, guys. Another freshwater drum.
Make soup. Go
This-
home, make soup.
Yeah, this guy's about to make soup.
Go home, make soup.
Make soup?
Thank you. That's 3 times already, eh?
Yeah, man, I am the sheephead king today. I am the sheephead king today.
Oh my God.
I know how to catch this one, no problem.
Oh.
No problem. Look at these guys. That one right there.
One is mine.
Yeah, the big one, I got it. I am the sheephead king. Well, guys, I'm going to end my day there. I didn't actually get to catch a smallmouth. I was lucky to catch a walleye and a bunch of giant sheephead. Not a great day. It was a lot of fun catching those fish, but it was not the fish that I was targeting. But still, a fish is a fish. As you guys can see, check the shoreline behind me. Look at that. All the boats are coming by and the wake is just going crazy. The whole entire shoreline is just soaked. It's just coming over. Yeah, it's nuts. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed that, see you in the next one. Signing off. Oh, signing off.